Good afternoon, my people. It's very better all of you put yourself together to vote for me. Vote for His Royal Highness King Jeff AGUGBAOLA, Obanjana Africa Dine, Obanjana for President of Nigeria 2023. Me, I'm coming for the president. All my followers all over the world, share this video. My posters is coming out next week for President of Nigeria. I'm running for President of Nigeria. Anybody will like me, they pursue me. Pursue me from village or pursue me from water, pursue me from anywhere. Me, I be water picking, so you they pursue me, they waste your time. So who they pursue me, I don't know, but I they run for President 2023. 2023. Vote for me. His Royal Majesty King Jeff AGUGBAOLA, Obanjana EZE, NDI, one of United Arab Emirates, Ogu 7 of Ogu Kingdom. I'm running for president. At the Teluna. No be say anybody they pursue me, but make sure you vote me. Because every indigenous of Nigeria, you are entitled for 1 million naira every 6 months in your account. 1 million naira. We have a lot of money, but all these wicked leaders, wicked presidents, governors, ministers, they will not want this money to circulate. And I am not that kind of leadership. God forbid. God forbid, I can never be like that. It's a wickedness. So I'm the best president that will take you to the next level. AUP, the party. We just in Abuja, we went to register this party, AUP. So vote for me for the president of Nigeria 2023. We are not joking in this presidency. We don't want to do all this nonsense they are doing. All this, we say we they seek. We know they seek anything now for what we they create. What one seek? The Lord say, I've taken all the your heeds from my tribe of the wound. So you don't need to seek again. You know, so by his wound, we are healed. So tell your brother, tell your sister, tell your children, everyone, prepare your vote, cast your vote to me. I look young anyway. Most of you know I'm young, but not that I'm young in like that. But I'm very old in the spirit, you know, to control this country, Nigeria, you know, to make you understand that this country is for you, the best place, because I've traveled all over the world. I've traveled like 147 countries already. So, you know, I know what it is everywhere in the whole world. Before I become the field marshal, you know, of altitude unit, gold class, you know, I know what it is. So cast your vote on me, and I cast your spell upon the Lord, make you solve your issues. But anything that had to do with the country Nigeria, make una no vote for any other person. All these people coming out for president, now thunder go fire all of una. All of una way they come out for presidency, thunder will fire all of you that I know that you are not a good leader.